Welcome back to the Rotary Peace Forum, here, the last day of the Rotary Peace Forum in Berlin. I have with me Mr. Ibragimov, who is the district president for 2014 in his district, and he's going to say a few words about what the club does and the importance he attaches to the Rotary Peace Forum. So, welcome to Berlin.
Thank you.
Can you introduce yourself to us, first of all?
First of all, I'm District Governor nominee for District 2220, which is Western Russia, European part of Russia. And I was charter president of one of the first clubs in the Soviet Union in 1990. It was Rotary Club Leningrad. So I have big experience in Rotary, participated in a number of peace conferences, including two which were held in my native city.
Excellent. And what have you thought about the Peace Forum so far? Have you been impressed by it?
I am first of all impressed by the selection of the place for the forum, because I think Berlin is a perfect place to hold peace forums, because we all remember events in 1989, and the whole world was just emotionally with
Absolutely.
you, and we were also. So if we speak of peace, I think this is a good place just to find understanding.
I can understand that, yeah.
As for it's very representative, because our forum was attended by over 600 participants. Here we have over 1,200. So, see, whole Europe came here, and I think they were very interesting speakers. Breakout sessions. For me, it's also important because Ludek and me, we are in ICCs, inter-country committees, which are facilitating Rotary projects everywhere in the world, in every country and between the countries. And this forum, first time in history, allowed us just to introduce this program to Rotarians of different countries.
Yeah, thank you. And tell us a little bit about the St. Petersburg Club. Do you have projects specifically focused on peace?
Well, as I said, it is we're 22 years already in Rotary, and of course we had 35 projects. I wouldn't say that they were specifically aimed to peace, but I think all our youth exchange programs are aiming peace.
Absolutely.
Ambassadorial programs, scholarships, everything we're doing with young people is aiming for peace. And I think that all clubs are looking for new generations, and our club as well. We have 2 Rotary clubs with our club, and I think that's our contribution to peace.
Yeah. Mr. Ibragimov, thank you very much indeed. Enjoy the rest of your time in Berlin.
I wish you good luck.
Thank you.